Where's this from? Same place?
This one's California. This one's Washington. Which one you want to open?
Washington.
Foreign stuff. Washington. That's this
Wait, which Washington? Up north?
one. Washington D.C. No, it's
Washington State.
Des Moines.
Oh boy.
Des Moines, Washington. What's that?
T-shirt?
Nope.
Cover. Genuine Harley parts. Oil
Manual,
pan?
maybe? Might be a manual? I don't know. A lot of plastic in there.
Sushi tray. Oh, it's a manual.
Oh, it's hog stuff.
Hawk stuff
Hog stuff.
from Washington.
Got a garbage bag too. Look at that. It's got his name on there. You're not supposed to read that. Hog owner grip.
Oh, good.
Still in the original packaging.
You just inherited it.
No, I bought it.
Why? Oh my gosh. This is what you get when you buy your Harley.
Yes. Is that 93 or 95?
3.
Oh, 93. There it is. Yeah, it's your kit.
Okay.
Get your free 1-year membership.
Yeah, I had that when I got the...
In my style of riding. Old and fast. See?
Arr.
It's called Harley crap.
That it is. But there was more
I'm a
in there.
10-year member. I like Harley crap.
Wonder why they sold it.
You sell a bunch of stuff. Well, I put a $3 maximum bid on it, so I know I paid no more than $3 for it.
Winner.
Plus shipping.
Yeah, what do we got? What do we got now?
And that's from Bakersfield, California, is where this came from. So it came from Washington State, from Bakersfield.
Oh, now we're talking.
That's him. Here's another one. That was 93, right? What's this one? So I got all those enthusiast magazines. This is all part of that. I used to get the Hog Owners Group magazines a little bit too, but kind of dropped out of buying that crap. Once you get 2000, I don't care about anymore. Same guy at Bakersfield. This one has 94, March of 94 on the package. This must be in the 94 book. It's already better, it's blue.
Oh, it matches. Nice. Look at the colors.
Matches the book, the bag, the year, hog number. All match. Yep, 94 owner kit. We didn't get the extra patch this time though. So we didn't get no 11-year patch.
No.
Nice, a kit with everything in it, ain't bad. Yeah, 3 or 4 of these went up, so I guess I only won 2 of them. Some must have had a year that they wanted. Okay, this is a 96 rubber top boot spacer kit. 96. Made in 97, so you know it's original. So if you got a 97 bike or a 96 bike that you need a rubber boot kit, I might know where there's one at. I'm guessing that's for the battery. I'm not going to open it.
It's already open.
Oh, it's already been, oh shit, it's already been butchered. Yeah, there's the battery top piece that I felt. It's not a soft tail. Ooh, look at that. You know, that you just frame that and put that around the wall. That's good. Why would they put that on the bottom where you can't see it? Come Harley.
So they can make more money on the bar and shield.
I guess. So instructions are from 96, made in 97. So evidently it goes in there. They're showing a soft tail tank, but This goes on the top. That's why they got Harley on it. I
What's
thought
the
this.
battery cover?
Yeah, I thought it went on the bottom. This goes on top. It's on a soft-tail battery box. Well, this is no. This is a Dynabox here, isn't it? Where they push up.
Yeah, looks like mine, sorta.
So why are they showing on a soft-tail? I can see this on a Dyna because they push up into the frame.
Yeah.
So, soft-tail doesn't. But yeah, this is more for a Dyna. 96 an earlier model. 91, 96 Dyna. 84 to 90 Softail, and 79 to 96 Sportster. And 82 to 94 FXR. So it cuts all the FXR. This is the FXR part. Now it's worth money if it's an FXR.
There you go.
Now it's a $100 part now.
There we go.
Restoration part. How can you not have that
First come, first serve.
On your restored FXR bike? That's probably $200 for getting an FXR.
Do I hear it through?
The bidding starts at $300.
There we go. Here we go.
Yeah, that's nice doing having a Harley on. I've never seen that before where they had it written on top.
No.
But I've never seen one that went on top of the battery either. That's never on the bike when you get a bike and work on it. That's always missing. You never know what you get because I just saw a battery rubber. Battery rubber's worth $3 to me.
Yeah.
This I might have went to $7 or $8 on Max, but the problem with all the shipping on stuff was everything was like $12 for shipping. Ridiculous. Hopefully they got a discount on the shipping, but probably not. Okay, so we got owner's drip and we got FXR crap. Okay, was this a good one or not?
California? Who knows? Could be
Was this a
rainbow.
good purchase or not?
Could be unicorns and rainbows.
Do you like this purchase or not?
That one?
Yeah.
No.
I don't need all this fucking crap. We'll use this here. This is going to go upstairs in the pile upstairs because that's where all the literature, a lot of literature's up there. Goes up in the NOS Harley department. I like how there's original envelopes in it. Really nice. Alright. Garbage Harley junk. Nobody cares about. Alright, next video.
Hold on.